A colossal cut. The Fed is coming in hot with rate cuts. Let's get to Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments. The Federal Reserve is not fooling around, Joe, and went straight to that half-point rate cut. This was big. What's the reaction?
Yeah, so this is a very historic move. Of course, first rate cut since 2020. Rates have been at this relatively high level for the past 3 years. So this is really big news. And the market, I think, was surprised. Now, it was unsure if it was going to be 50 basis points or 25 basis points. But I think the consensus was if we get 25 basis points, it'll be like a dovish 25. And if we get 50, it might be a hawkish 50. The Fed will try to, do one thing and say another. But instead, we got a dovish 50. We got 50 basis points on this cut, a likelihood of 50 basis points coming again on the next cut. So very dovish talk from Powell, and it really signals the Fed is going to be aggressive in trying to keep the growth high, trying to keep their unemployment low. Now, the concern for me, Angie, is the market might view this as the Fed is worried about the labor front. The Fed is worried about jobs. That might be the case, but that'll be the data will tell us all of that. Recent data has been pretty good. So I think the best case scenario might be playing out is that inflation is under check. Job losses aren't necessarily really accumulating, and the Fed just wants to be ahead of the game to actually stick the soft landing. That might be the best case scenario, and I'm hopeful we can get there.
Thanks, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.